Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have shown the room management system, how to register the room and everything we have did it. In this class, I am going to teach about the relationship. So that is very important stuff when you are doing the project. So you have to go to the Tutors Funny, my official website. So I have bring the relationship here. Okay, so I have already did the relationship. Here this is the relationship. What are the relationship? Hotel and rooms. Okay, one to many relationship. With this relationship I'm just get this one. Okay, this all the relationship you have to study here. All things you have here, you can go and watch them. Okay, so here I'm going to get them here. We have to do one by one. So here to implement your project. Hotel and rooms. What is the relationship? One hotel consists of many rooms. Okay, one a hotel can have many rooms, but the room belongs to one hotel. Okay, a hotel can have many rooms. Okay, a hotel can have many rooms, but room belongs to one hotel. Okay, room images. Whatever is the relationship? This one we no need them. Okay, so we have to cover about this one. Room and room in one room consists of many images. Okay, these are the things we have to implement. So how to make the relationship? So let's go to my hotel. Copy this, paste it over here. Okay, I'll be explained, don't worry. Room side, you have to paste it here, the many side. Okay, so then hotel side, hotel, we have rooms. Okay. Now, what I did here is we have to create the method which is the rooms. Open and close bracket, return this as many room class hotel ID, correct reference to the rooms. Okay, so here what's the thing is, so here we have to make the relationship. One hotel consists of many rooms. So what happen is the many side coming to the hotel side. Okay, so you have to return this as many rooms. We have to, in order to make the relationship, we have to use the foreign key. The room and hotel, in order to make the relationship, we need a foreign key. But it's a foreign key relationship. Okay, this is there is the ID of the hotel ID which will be go to the rooms table, which is called as foreign key, which is become a hotel ID. It is become a hotel ID. It has been changed it as a hotel ID. Okay, hotel rooms. Okay, the hotel consists of many rooms as many relationship. Okay, the hotel which is belongs to one, the all rooms are belongs to one hotel. Okay, all rooms are belongs to one hotel. Okay, okay, consider this. We have to this is the scenario you have to use it to implement the project. Okay, these are the scenario you have to use to implement the project. Okay, this is the very must. When you implement the project, these are the scenario you have to make to implement the project, then only your project will be success. Okay, these are the scenario we have to use to implement the project. Okay, so here one hotel has many rooms. The hotel is a one hotel which is consist of many rooms. Okay, so the many side it's coming to the hotel, the one side comes to the room. Okay, this is the must. Okay, they associate the relationship, we have to use the foreign key. Okay, simple. This is the must. Okay, you have to implement the relationship of primary key, the foreign key, the relationship must the hotel and hotel rooms. After that, what I'm going to do is I have to do the another one is we have to go to the index page of hotel rooms, the T body part. You have to cover about the all the rooms. So what I'm going to do is the rooms. So you have to, this is all the source code I provide you, don't worry. Okay, so the rooms, the after complete the video, I have this all the source code, you will be read on my blog. Okay, you can easily get the idea, okay, how the things going on. So here you can see here for each rooms, key rooms. Okay, so here we have to write it here, uh, room name, okay, description, hotel name, which is a hotel name. After that we have to write a another is a room type. Rooms as a room type, and price, room price. You have these two things are needed, so you have to get it over here. Room name, description, room, hotel. After that you have to get the room type, copy this and paste it below. This one should be the room price, this room type, this is a room price. Okay, room description, room hotel, name, room type, room price. Okay, so the status, which is the active, if it is one active or deactive. Okay, so here you have make the simple validation part over here. Okay, the simple validation part over here. After that we have to make the simple form. Okay, see, form validation also we have to complete the form validation part. Okay, you make the simple form validation part over here. So when you delete the record, manage the record, add images. Okay, this one we have discussed about later on. This all the routes. What you are going to do is, at the moment I am going to remove them because it show the error. So the we have to, when you going to do the things, we have to implement this one. Okay. Now this is a simple one. You have to make it as okay. So this one we have to implement the room. We have to store method. This is our index method. So we have, let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Then only I'll be explain again. It's working. Here the room description, hotel name, it will be display. This one should be our hotel type, price, all things are displayed. So here we have to add the additional columns names. Hotel name, room type, room price, status. Okay, we will be able to see this is a manage button. We no need them. The manage, you have to get rid of this button. We no need them. Okay, so you have to, another one is you have to edit and images. The images we have to maintain with the separate one for the images for image purpose. So we have a hotel, rooms and description, all things are displayed. So what I did here is, here what I, here go to the hotel room controller, you have make the index method. Okay, so index method, so when the route is coming, the flow, when you call the all rooms, it goes to the room control index action method. So go to the room controller index action method. First you have to, we have to attach the, inside the constructor we have a room path we have attached where your room is resided. So the all the paths should be coming here. So here get all, if you are write a get all method, what this did it, get all the, it load all the information about the rooms and pass into the variable rooms. After that we have to we have to do the hotel flux name id. So now I mean I want to get the hotel information. Instead of the name I want to get the id. Sorry, instead of the id I want to load the name of the hotels. So the get the name, we load the name of the hotel and assign to the variable hotels. So after that it return to the rooms and hotels to return to the rooms page. That's a rooms page. It's a rooms page, and you have to get the for each loop to load the room information, room name, description, hotel name, room type, price, and everything. That's how we have did the program. Simply we have did the program like this. File save all. Simply we have did it. I hope you guys you understood things. I will be provide this also source code for you. You will be able to